Alrighty, welcome back. It is Friday, May 15th. No trades today. Possible trade. You'll have to see. Where are we now? Man, we really haven't done much. I mean, look at the 15-minute. We've kind of, it's a huge range. Don't get me wrong, but it's a Friday. Yeah. Okay, going into the morning. I still have my if-thins photo. I do. Yeah, my if-thins, if we continue to sell. Uh, Oh, we are continuing to sell. If we sell it open, look for my target for reversal. If we pop it open, wait till we sweep some liquidity. So basically what I had drawn out was okay, obviously, boom, London session, up, down, took those lows. Okay, we're selling ever since yesterday. So I'm like, okay, I like that. I like downtrend. Okay, this is the latest order block. Um, Boom, took low, probably gonna rebound, pop up higher to then go lower. That's perfectly what I'm envisioning in this. And so, was that the 9:30? No, that can't be the 9:30 candle that did that. Maybe it was. Maybe I'm geeking. But seeing that, I'm like, okay, what else do I see? It's funny. It's like I was looking on TikTok and I saw Powell's like, oh, rejection block stuff. I have no idea if this is a rejection block, but it looks like it could possibly be one. And hey, look, that's where price bounced. But you know what? Also, that's this order. This is it hourly order block? It's easier to see on the hour. Yeah, hourly rejection block, but also order block over here. That supported price over here. So boom, possible rejection in there. Two ways to get to the same conclusion. But it's wait. What did I just see? Okay, never mind. I was about to. But I'm like, okay, if we pop it open, okay, boom, this is an area I expect us to reject in to then push it lower. I wanted last Tuesday or Tuesday's Asia session low, just like this area lower, because that would kind of balance off the week because we opened high, low, went back up higher, low, and then possibly pull, but push down and then pull back up for the week. And so I'm like, okay, push down to here and then pull back up is what I was kind of expecting. I'm like, okay, if we keep selling though, this low and then push it higher. So that's what I wanted coming into market open. It was pretty simple. Boom. That wasn't market open, was it? Oh, it was. Okay, this is where it gets tricky, right? Right before market open, price is pushing up, tapping into this order block right here. Let me sync and lay out. Right into this order block. Boom. Almost perfect. I don't know. ICT had this drawn out for some reason, and he sold in here. But okay, that makes a lot more sense as to why these wicks were like crazy because I'm seeing this. I saw the push up. I'm like, this is manipulation right here. That's a soup. Okay, boom. Full confirmation here. But then it's these giant wicks and seeing these candles go wham, flash down, flash up is what hesitates me out of this. And so I'm like, is this even really an entry? Like obviously, okay, we have liquidity sweep or we have the continuation, the bias behind it, aka the basically the liquidity sweep, the manipulation. Okay, we have Toro Soup chain of state, obviously. Do we have is this the failure swing forward? What did we do? This candle push down, tapped into this order block. This candle also pushed down, tapped into this order block. Next candle, push back down, same inside of that, and then pulled up, souped. Or no. This candle was the one that flashed down, pulled all the way back up. Then this next candle was one that opened high. So this is a valid retracement for the failure swing for me to take an entry. I forgot that this was market open because I was like, oh man, but this is market open. It's hard for me to take trades at market open, right? And so now seeing that, I'm like, okay, I'm not that mad that I missed. And granted, it's a one candle order block right here. So like how good really is it? I was hoping we'd push down a little bit and then pull back up, but yeah, that's not what happened. We kind of just boom, 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 which makes sense because it's market open. Gotta get the noise out, retrace all the way back up. But if you're in from up here, you're fine. Boom, boom, tapped into it. Boom, target, day's done if I take that trade. So then I'm looking, okay, is this manipulation? Right? We swept out these lows. Is that manipulation? I wanted to see us take out these lows. We didn't even take out that New York session from Wednesday. And so I'm like, I still want to see lower. We kind of jank, chop. We're just ranging at this point, and it's so hard for me when we don't have a clear direction. Clear direction to the downside to that. But then now we're like, is this longs for the upside? Turns out it was. But then what? We push up, we sweep this. Okay. Reject, not really seeing manipulation. And I'm like, this is what a Friday is once we hit objective, right? Kind of just janky. And I mean, we so far it doesn't look like we put in manipulation. So, and I mean, like, I'm fine with that then. If that's what I'm seeing right at market open, it's hard. But mm, um, why there's a giant hole in my chart? Let's put on adjusted. Hey, adjusted actually works this time. But seeing that now makes me like, okay, that's more understandable. Longs, I would be thinking only longs in here if we had tapped into my target, which we didn't. So, but it's a Friday. Looking back at the week, it's like, okay, if I'm let's just go back to it. Yesterday, I didn't really see much yesterday, so no trades yesterday. Wednesday, definitely would have found trade yesterday. Tuesday, I would have found another entry on Tuesday. And then Monday, like, was I 10:30? Yep, wasn't on, couldn't take this. So, and I mean, yeah, if I'm finding like even if I don't find this trade, I still have two more trades that I could definitely would have taken. I took one of them. I just got stopped out and then it showed me another model. And so that's another trade. So that's all I need for the week. And so, hey, tomorrow Monday's a new week. That's all I got to do. Just focus on this and then we're good. So, whew, I'm tired. Right. Yeah. No, I stayed up later playing the new Forza. Well, actually downloading the new Forza, but it's fun. It looks beautiful, even on like medium or high settings, which is what I use. I'm excited to run it on my brother's PC, who has better specs than me, to see how that thing looks. And then Iceman album, I haven't listened to it all the time. I've got it open on my other monitor here, but I mean, that's kind of it for today. I don't have much since I didn't take a trade, obviously. And once I see okay, manipulation put in okay, and I just didn't see my entry model past that, but that's right at market open. Yeah. Then it's a Friday, and so knowing when to step out was good. So I'm ready for next week, and I think that's all I got because I gotta go practice before I go take off. So alrighty, I will see y'all.